Industry is getting smarter, edgier, more automated. It's the Industry 4.0 revolution, and it requires high-speed 5G edge intelligence that can not only keep up, but help you lead. Introducing the Digi IX40 cellular router, a 5G edge computing solution purpose-built for Industry 4.0. Integrated with Digi Remote Manager, Digi IX40 empowers the rapid processing, analysis, and integration of industrial asset data, as well as complete remote monitoring and management required for rapid insights and next-gen automation. Industrial automation and control? Check. Manufacturing process automation? You bet. Precise monitoring and control? Of course. Advanced robotics? Absolutely. Not to mention condition-based monitoring and predictive maintenance. Digi IX40 has an all-in-one design that seamlessly connects multiple machines, wired or wireless, in mission-critical demanding environments. And it's highly reliable, efficient, and secure. It helps integrate cloud-delivered OT services with IT, so you can simplify and scale your operations. And Digi IX40 inspires the kind of trust Digi solutions are known for. Built-in Digi Trust Fence for device security, secure encrypted connections, ongoing monitoring and support, dual SIMs, Digi SureLink, and fiber failover for connection reliability, and value-added services to enhance your deployment, including Digi WAN bonding and Digi containers. Industry is getting smarter. It's the Industry 4.0 revolution. Choose the 5G edge computing industrial IoT cellular router solution that can not only keep up, but help you lead. Digi IX40, it's purpose-built for Industry 4.0.